stuff, and you know, I really trained hard for this fight, and they think that I'm not focused on the fight, but that's the truth is, I really trained hard and sacrificed myself. That's why I'm weighing 144 pounds only.
Now, it seemed like in the 11th round, after Margarito was taking such a beating throughout the whole fight, that you looked at the ref and said to stop this fight. Were you, in fact, indicating that you wanted him to stop? He had enough punishment?
I mean, I told the referee, you know, take a look at the doctor and see if he can still fight it, because it's really bad. His face and the eyes, the cut in the eyes. You know, boxing is not for for killing each other.
Total gentleman, class act till the end, Manny. So with that said, in the 12th round, did you lay off a little bit?
Oh my gosh, I mean a
In the
video.
12th round, I know it's I won the whole round, and I'm not looking for a knockout. I'm just playing to finish the 3 minutes, and playing side by side and throw a lot of punches.
So, Manny, it doesn't seem like the more you climb these weight classes, you're not losing any speed, you're not losing any power. I think it remains to be seen an opponent that's going to pose those sort of problems for you. But, of course, I'd be remiss to not ask Floyd Mayweather. A lot of people obviously want to